Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. And once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called connectivity and select it. And here find the Wi-Fi option and tap on it, of course. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled and then tap on Add Network. Now you will see the list of networks available in your vicinity. Find the network you would like to connect to. And once you find the network, all of them are saved. Okay, so no, this one is not. So maybe we can try to connect to this one. And basically you will need to enter the password, and you can do it on the watch or on the phone. The phone is more convenient, of course, so I prefer to use this option, but you can always enter it on the watch itself. But let me go back. Come on. Okay, like this. Let me go back and tap on enter on phone, and I'm gonna do it on the phone because, like I said it before, it's more convenient for me. Okay. And if you enter the password correctly, the watch will connect to that network and it will say connected under it. And if you go to the main page of the Wi-Fi settings, the network will appear right here and it should say connected under it, or under the one that has the best signal strength, basically. Okay, and of course, once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.